welcome to my channel. Just being Melanie, just being Melanie. Y'all, this is my very first YouTube post and I am terrified. I never knew that I would feel this way once I hit that record button. Now, it's one thing to be behind the camera and watching other people in front of their cameras, but when it is actually you in front of the camera, it is like, oh my God. I have been the most critical ever, okay? Melanie, is your hair laying down? Melanie, your eye too crooked? Melanie, is your earrings on right? Melanie, did you pluck your chin hair? It's a lot, okay? It is a lot. But at this point, I have decided, you know what? You are going to take all of those insecurities, you're going to take all of those fears and all of that nervousness, and you're just going to let that fuel you, Melanie. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. So, I'm here, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And again, this is my very first post. On this channel, we'll be discussing motherhood, organization, lifestyle. We're just going to be doing a lot of stuff, okay? I'm the mother of 3 boys, a wife, a dog mom, a business owner. I'm just like a lot of stuff, okay? And I just got a lot of stuff to share with y'all, and I'm so excited to be able to do that. Being on YouTube is something that I have wanted to do for a very long time, and I finally convinced myself that, you know what? Now's the time, girl. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I ask that everyone please, number one, be patient, okay? Be patient with me because I'm gonna get this thing. I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna learn how to do my videos. Like, it is going to be just like pristine. It's just going to be perfect, okay, darling? But just give me time, okay? But still, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Share with everybody you know. Share with your auntie, with your mama, with your daddy, with your uncle, with your best friend, with your best friend. Like, share with everybody that you know. Share this channel of Just Being Melanie. I do ask, please keep it positive. Let's keep it, you know, motivating. And again, one thing about this page, I am going to be authentically Melanie, and that is being 100% real. We will be doing different experiments together, and I'm going to try different things, and I'm not going to hit the edit button and make it perfect and then come back. I want to just bring it to you raw. That is exactly what I'm gonna do, and I am so excited for this journey. So again, guys, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I look forward to the journey. Just being Melanie, just being Melanie. Hey.